So we're gonna cruise down stairs here, and we're gonna hook the airboat up to the truck.
Out.
Just had epic ride out here. We're on a big, actually we're on a, I don't even know if this is called a hill tide. Regardless, we're at a 4.3 high tide today. Pretty epic. We're out at the Wildlife Preserve. Kelly just took us out here. Nice job trailing. Pretty this is. Look at these birds. Look at this nest. How cool is that? We're gonna see if we can catch a tarpon out here. If we film this, Sean Kirstein might get upset. I still have no clue how to tie any of these stupid fishing knots. But I've caught some monster tarpon on this knot.
about being together with people you care about, in places that inspire you, soothes the nervous system, provides you with some deeper sense of calm.
Pristine and perfect.
Liquid metal reflecting all those gorgeous colors of the sky and the setting sun, and warm pinks and reds of the clouds and the birds, ospreys, and all kinds of wildlife out there right now.
got through exploring one of the last great coasts of Florida. It's absolutely gorgeous out tonight.
Just enjoying life, enjoying nature. That's what it's all about.
Epic airboat ride. We cruised out to a undisclosed location, found a couple thousand tarpon hanging out. And now we're back here at the boat ramp, getting ready to pull out. It's a freaking beautiful night.
That was cool. I mean, it just doesn't get any more beautiful. Being out there, and today was a really good balance on the side of tranquility and appreciation for our natural resources.
Thank God for the water thunder. Dave, you're the man. Sin Stitch props and Oxbox. I didn't get paid to say that. It's the best. And Diamondback, you guys are cool too.
Hope you enjoyed going with us for a little tour of this beautiful river on this beautiful day and this stunning sunset. That's all, friends. Time to go.
Now we're gonna put the boat on the trailer.
Right between the lines. It is perfect.
Let me show them the mullet that never got eaten. Full of mullet. There's two of them.
2 mullets. 2 uneaten mullets. Ugh.
Oh, they never got eaten.
Be free, dead mullets.
There you go, Mr. Alligators. Have fun.
Alligator bait.
We're out of here. We're going.